A leader is a small scrap of fabric that you stitch on first when sewing patchwork. This scrap holds your loose threads. It also helps act as a guide when you want to sew an accurate 1/4 inch seam. You might be wondering why I use these leader and followers. When you start sewing, you want to concentrate on coming in right at that 1/4 inch or scant 1/4 inch seam mark. A lot of folks have a tendency to come in too wide and then adjust, or they come in too narrow and then adjust. Using this scrap of fabric helps you to come straight on to the seam. The follower also helps when you come off a seam. You might be saying, does that really make a difference? Well, if you come in too wide and when you open up your piece, you'll notice that this will end up being shorter than the way it should be. And when you try to sew these two pieces together, you'll come across some problems. The same is true if it's too narrow. When you open your piece, this one will be longer than the other one. When you go to put these two pieces together, you'll encounter some problems. So these leaders and followers will help you stay on track. For more free quilting tutorials, check out our Saturday Sampler series, where you'll learn basic quilting skills while constructing beginner blocks. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please share our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel.